boy Nanix. You know the vibe, Chachaka, always going. I. What's your name?
JM.
How about you?
Angelo.
Neko. Yum.
Oh, you guys are really looking so good. Your outfit is really crazy, and I really like it. And I really like to know what inspired you to dress like this.
Inspire me to confidence myself, dressing. Don't worry about the people thinking.
I also see the crazy hat, bro, chrome hat, and also the chain, the crow hat, like the Supreme, everything. It's really so cool, bro.
Hollywood sa girlfriend ko.
Oh, it's because of a girl you do this.
Inspire
I wanna look good
Oh, that's really good.
for her.
Oh, that's solid. That's solid. Because of that, I'm gonna give you a 10/10, bro. My man. Alright, how about you?
Yo, for me, I dress to impress me, man.
Oh, alright.
I dress because it gives me confidence in myself. Yeah.
Alright, that's
I can kill my feet.
alright, that's really nice. What advice do you have to give to somebody out there who wants to dress good but don't know where to start from?
This is my first time to fit this outfit because of her. So he inspired me to fit the, you know what I'm saying? Street.
So he's actually the brain box behind everything.
yeah. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he inspired me, like, bro, come on, no, fit like, you know.
Yeah. How about you?
Mga fashionista din, don't think about opinion ng iba. Wear whatever you want.
Oh, that's solid.
Yo, same as me. Just wear whatever you want, man.
Alright.
Don't think about sa mga opinion ng iba. Suotin mo lang yung mga gusto mo. Yeah. Don't think about it like people say about you, like, bro.
I shouldn't actually think about whatever people are going to say. Let me just do whatever I want to do in life. That's really cool. Thank you.
Because other people will judge you on how you wear. People will judge you on how you wear. That's why just wear whatever you want, man. Because there's a lot of people who judge you, but don't think about them, man.
That's really cool.